The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, touted as the leading foldable Android phone in 2023, is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. Its powerful feature and sleek design makes it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts with its new taskbar and Android 12 variant. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 simplifies multitasking. It boosts superior cameras, a wide front screen, and a brighter main screen. Housed in a slightly more compact, the design's 7.6-inch main screen is brighter, the thinner bezels, and increased app optimization for the large display, making it a delightful experience. The 6.2-inch cover screen is wider and user-friendly. The 50-megapixel primary camera rivals the Galaxy S2022 series, capturing stunning images that compete with the top cameras phones on 2023. The Z Fold 4's portraits in a flower shot are particularly eye-catching through its slightly lags behind Apple in some aspects. One of the most notable improvements in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the front screen with a wide aspect ratio than the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The 6.2-inch panel is easier to handle one-handedly, enhancing usability for quick tasks like checking notifications or responding to messages. Additionally, reduced bezels on both the covers and the main screen provided a more impressive viewing experience. The other display camera is less visible, blending seamlessly with the content around it. Samsung claims that the main screen is now 45% stronger, adding to its durability. The main screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 remains an impressive 7.6-inch display, boosting increased brightness and retaining the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. This result is a vibrant, clear, and accurate OLED panel. The device excels in brightness, with the main panel reaching a maximum of 905 nits, significantly higher than the Galaxy Z Fold 3. In terms of cameras, the device features a 50-megapixel primary camera with a 23 brighter sensor, resulting in superior indoor images. It also includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and 30 times space zoom. The phone's front house is a 10-megapixel selfie camera, while a 4-megapixel sensor is embedded on the right side of the 7.6-inch display. Thumbs up.